Moisturizer. Before you begin applying your makeup, take the time to prep your skin with a high-quality moisturizer. Primer. Now that your skin is well moisturized, prep your face with primer. Whether you're planning on applying a light coat of foundation or a full face of makeup. Liquid foundation. When it comes to foundation, finding the perfect shade for your skin is priority number one. The right shade of foundation can make all the difference. Concealer. There are two main categories of concealer, liquid and stick/compact. Liquid concealer is best for the times you want light coverage over a large area of your face. Stick and compact concealers are well suited for heavier coverage on smaller, more specific areas of the face. Foundation powder. Applying foundation powder can be a tricky process, too little and you may as well have skipped the step. Altogether, too much and you'll be sporting the dreaded cake look. Bronzer. Bronzer can give your skin that sun-kissed glow all year long. Bronzer brushes are crafted with more bristles, ensuring you get the most out of your colorful bronzer with each and every swipe. Blush. Flushed cheeks have been a mainstay of makeup glamour for centuries. If you want to add a bit more color and vibrancy to your complexion, blush may be the key. Highlighter. The right highlighter adds a bit of glam and glow to every makeup look. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow can add interest to your makeup look, whether you opt for neutral shades or go bold with colorful hues. Eyeliner. Applying eyeliner can be difficult. One little mistake and you're stuck with raccoon eyes. Mascara. If you're going to use only one makeup product, mascara should be at the top of your list. Lip gloss. Before applying gloss, prep your lips. If your lips are chapped and cracked, be sure to use a gentle lip scrub to remove any dead skin and apply a protective lip gloss.